Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today will be completely different because I just got my new microphone. In case you haven't seen my last video, I had a little bit of a rant because my old microphone, this one, Ceremonic, microphone from Ceremonic, wasn't working properly. I bought it because I wanted to make better videos with better audio, but it turned out that a $20 microphone just like this one from Ceremonic won't cut it. So today I will be making a unboxing as well as testing video of my new microphone, VideoMicro from Røde. Right from the start, I need to tell you that if you're looking into buying anything from Røde, please go to their website where you can find authorized resellers. I believe they have a reason to put a warning about Amazon on their website. But if you happen to really like shopping on Amazon just like me, follow the link on Røde's website, which is right here, that says Amazon. I even emailed them about the link and got a positive reply. You can also save time by clicking the link in the description below. Now to the review. I got this microphone from Amazon for I think $60, which is not that expensive for a microphone. Which is expensive for anything. Let's start with what you get in the box, but also what you don't get. It's nicely packaged and all the jazz, but we don't care about that, right? Let's look inside. You obviously get the microphone, the mount. With that you get also a dead cat for windy situation, and obviously a cable to connect your microphone to your device. If it happens to be anything better than a phone, unfortunately. That's because the microphone comes with a cable which is TRS cable. However, phones only work with TRRS. If you plan on using this microphone with your phone, you will need to buy a patch cable. I recommend this one, SC7 cable from Røde. It is just 15 bucks and you are guaranteed it will work with your microphone. Don't forget that with this cable, the gray end doesn't go into the microphone. It goes into the phone. Plug the black end into the microphone. The setup of the microphone is super easy. Just stick the microphone into the mount, put the dead cat on it, plug in the correct end of the cable into the microphone, put it on a mount of your choosing. Mine's this F mount, link in the description below if you want to check it out, and screw it on tight. Don't forget to secure one end of the cable just like this, so it secures your microphone whatever you do with the other part of the cable. I think it's time to get some testing done. I'm gonna put in the video like if it's the microphone, if it's with the lens, or if it's without my lens that I have on my phone. Because I usually record with this lens, but the downside is it covers the microphone, the internal microphone of the phone. So the sound might come kind of distorted. It's not really windy today, so I can't really compare how the microphone performs in wind because I just got it and I haven't really used it. But now I'm using it without the microphone plugged in. It's just on my phone. This is the internal microphone of my camera. I kind of want to do a distance test. This is the internal microphone. I'm walking away. I'm still walking away. We're in a beautiful Craighead Park. I'm like 5 meters away from the phone. I don't know how can you hear me. Hopefully, I'm still walking back. I'm walking back. I'm the same distance from the phone as I was before, about 5 meters. And again, we're here in a beautiful Craighead Park. It's a beautiful day, Sunday morning. No one's here. I love it. One thing that you need to know is it's a directional microphone. It's not omnipresent, something. omnidirectional. Yeah, it isn't omnidirectional. So if I get out of the picture, the sound will change drastically. I'm doing the same thing now, but just with the internal microphone of the iPhone, and I'm gonna get out of the picture so you can hear the difference as well, if there's any, because I don't know. I hope there's difference. And again, we have this beautiful picture. I just put the lens on, and I want to. How does it sound without the lens? Because I think that's like the worst scenario that can happen. You put your lens on the camera just to get it more into the picture, but your sound will be just horrible. Let's see how it changes if I plug in the microphone just like this. Now it's plugged in with the lens still on my phone, however with the microphone rolling. Let's try some windy situations. That is why I brought a skateboard. Alright, let's try this windy thing. Alright, there should be some wind now going on. Keep in mind that I have my lens on right now. So the sound might be the worst sound you can ever hear. I might not actually use this video. It's like a workout. I never knew how difficult this was, skateboarding and taking a video. Ooh, I'm just gonna die. I'm gonna die. Shit. And it's under my car.
To summarize it up, VideoMicro by Røde is by no means a better microphone than the internal one of the iPhone 6s, especially in windy situations. It's a directional microphone and it serves this purpose very well. Sounds coming from anywhere but up front won't show up in your recordings. It does a great job with blocking out the wind. Even when the wind picks up, the sound is still clear and without any extra sounds bothering you. I shouldn't forget to mention that it doesn't require a battery. So the only thing that might be a downside is that you'd have to carry it around. But it is the sacrifice for a better sound.
Alright, this concludes my review video. I'll keep on skateboarding. A disclaimer, this is my first time skateboarding, so don't laugh. Follow me on Instagram. See ya in the next video.